What's up, everybody? I'm Mitch with Stone Coat Epoxy, and I'm here with Rhonda from RK3 Designs.
Hello.
We're learning black marble epoxy with a blue accent.
I'm so excited. Mitch showed me this design on a little bitty board, and I said, let's blow it up. So that's what we did. I hope you love it.
Stay tuned. Enjoy the video.
So Mitch.
Yes, ma'am.
It's been a minute.
It's been too dang long.
For us to do a video. I see you every day, but
yes.
we just don't ever do anything together.
So busy.
So you did a design for a project.
Yeah.
And I saw it and I fell in love with it. And I said, I need to share this with you guys.
It's a pretty simple hand-milled piece using some color obsession and a little bit of Stone Coat colors.
All right.
It's about a 4 ounce per square foot coat.
Okay.
We're gonna mix up, our base colors are gonna be black. So it's gonna be our ebony luster and this cool new gel tint, onyx gel tint.
Beautiful.
And then followed up with silver from Stone Coat, polycolor, and our 2 little baby accents are gonna be blue earth and white. So most projects, you know, start out the same way. You're gonna mix up clear material depending on what finish you're going with. That determines how much you're going to mix up, anywhere from 3 to sometimes even 8 ounces per square foot for a big heavy dirty pour.
This was probably one of your favorite colors. We did a finish that we actually teach in our hands-on classes, and we actually call it the Big Mitch Marble. And we use the ebony luster. It's absolutely gorgeous. Has a little bit of a ghosting silver sheen in it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and that's what we're doing here.
I almost did what I normally do every time I recreate something and forget a color, so I forgot I have diamond dust.
Oh yeah, well how can you forget diamond
feature
dust?
Of this piece, so I am going to go grab that real quick.
All right.
I'm always so used to going live with you, so I just thought I was live for a second.
Yeah. We have done a lot of lives together, so yeah.
The next step here, Rhonda, is we're going to take these 2 black colors, randomly just make background. You know how to do that, right?
I can do it.
And maybe even save a little, so don't full send the whole thing.
Okay. Now, even though we are using black, 2 different kind of shades, it really gives a unique look because it is 2 different opacities and 2 different products.
Yeah, we're with that gel tint, we're really going to see the white come through too.
Oh, absolutely. And it's also super important that we don't over meld at this point, because all we would be doing then is basically having one color.
I'm just trying to get this counter covered.
Yep.
And then we'll start bringing in our accents and layering it from there. And then at this stage too, as soon as I get epoxy on, I'm hitting my edge.
Absolutely.
Because as I now start adding in my accent colors, I want that to flow uniformly and not have big dry spots. And it doesn't need much to get it to start flowing over. So now I'm just going to take some of this silver and we'll kind of create a little background at first with this, blend this around, and you can over meld and under meld this, and we'll come back with a little bit of isopropyl and fracture it up.
And so this is your silver mica powder.
This is silver mica powder from Stone Coat.
Yeah. What I really do enjoy too is kind of mixing our products. We're using a paste, we're using a dye, we're using some mica powders, and you really can get some neat looks.
And we could even stop right.
This, are you trying to say, Mitch, that this could be a finish all on its own?
Once we bring that alcohol in.
But we're gonna take it to the next level.
Yeah, this is looking cool already. And I'm varying how much I meld. I'll kind of skip around. I'll leave a big section of black, and then I'll come over here and meld it a little bit more. You know, variation tricks you into thinking that Mother Nature did this and not a human.
Oh, that's pretty.
That is
pretty
already.
I like it.
So now we can start bringing in some accents, start layering up more and more. That's all I really did here.
Yep.
Or let's actually fracture it with some alcohol.
Oh, there we go. And all this is plain 91% isopropyl.
ISO.
Yep.
And I love what it does to that
I do too.
Ebony luster. It's like so unique. Just sells it so beautifully.
Instantly makes it look 3D.
Yeah. So I'm gonna bring in a little more black here and there.
Okay.
And we'll bring in some accent colors along with this.
Now, is this the black ebony luster?
This is ebony luster, a little leftover that we have.
Okay.
And I'm gonna build a little baby I was doing this.
Okay, yeah.
I don't know why I did it, but I did it. You know, I always just try farting around with different methods, right?
And that's the best way to learn.
Let me bring in some of this blue now.
And this is the blue earth. That's your favorite color, isn't it?
One of them, yeah, it really is. I love it. And blue earth goes with the browns, earth tones. It goes with blacks really well. It's a great accent. And then I'm gonna grab a stick and drizzle a little more of this here and there and kind of give it a little background noise in here. Because this stuff peekabooing through is really cool. So go ahead and meld those veins out if you want.
Sure, okay.
And again, that just kind of, because when there's more of a mass, it'll move and self-level, do some cool stuff.
Yeah.
That's a little thing I've been doing lately. I'll get my colors down and then do these little baby pours and then keep adding to it. And then when you fracture that.
Oh, then it really looks cool, yeah.
Kind of blend in this blue a little bit.
And what I like is that where you already sprayed the isopropyl, of course we're kind of messing up right where we're melding it, but because we're going to hit it again, we're going to build one more layer of interest. I actually think, can I do an audible here?
Yeah.
I would love to have a pretty substantial, maybe amount of blue going through here, and I don't want to go
silvers.
Yeah, I don't want to go edge to edge. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Just something kind of maybe as an accent. Oh.
Yeah, you guide her in there, and then I'll follow it in with some of these other colors.
Yeah.
And we still have our white to bring in. The one thing, though, with hand melding, with me, I am a messy epoxy artist.
You are a messy.
So, and hand melding is really bad for your shoes. So, have paper towels ready.
I will have to say, Mitch, that is one thing I've learned since you've been here. But you're getting better. I will say that you are getting much better.
I am. It's on the top of my head, but I have a lot of stuff on the top of my head. This will be cool. I love it. I love this idea. Because that blue, like, I often get too is, oh, you've also forgot the diamond dust.
Ooh, yeah, when you pull that through, it's going to look awesome.
It is. All right, start melding.
Maybe put some right there.
I'm running low on that gelatin. This is about the last of it.
Oh, no. All right, here we go.
Ooh, that is pretty. We never have added our white yet either. So, we've got our white dye here to add.
And we are using the art coat, so we have plenty of time to work this product.
I can't remember. I think I did some of the melding in these bigger veins, so I'll add some of there.
Okay.
So bring in some white here, just randomly.
So Mitch, another thing I love to use is a Bondo spreader. If I'm trying to do some accents and I want them to be a little more, maybe keep them a little tighter, you can bring in a Bondo spreader and drag it.
Keeps it from getting too meldy, huh?
Yeah, and you can move it around and you can just create some really cool designs. If you want, like I said, if you want that to just to stay a little more distinct. Put me a little bit of white light coming across this way. There we go. Oh yeah. So you can see, even though Mitch and I have two different styles of doing, it's gonna all be cohesive because we're working together. And so how fun would that be to do it with like a family member?
Yeah.
And
serious.
And let each one of the family members just have a part of their design.
And when the material has this much time open and moving, even if we are a little off, when the material moves for so long, it's gonna become cohesive. And one thing I did do is I kind of kept some bigger, saved some of this black and created just some kind of negative space with it a little bit.
Where you didn't touch it.
Barely.
Yeah.
You break up the blob look, but you leave some of it
Yeah, I like that.
Ooh, look at that blue and white vein now.
Oh my gosh, yes. That is gorgeous.
What I love about the alcohol is it takes a lot of the man-made look right on out of it.
Exactly. I mean, immediately.
Yeah.
Look at this white. I love how the white is just on this one little area, but that's okay. It's just an accent.
You'll see that in natural stone. There's a little bit over here. Good call on the kind of the statement vein, and that's what you would do on your island. Like,
sure.
I've had granite customers buy a whole nother island, a whole nother slab just for this.
For
island.
one little area.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Man, I could see this, something like this being a statement piece. Maybe have white cabinets with some black pools, or even blue. You could even bring in some blue cabinets. That would be really pretty.
Colors are coming over the edges really well. That's why you want to rub those edges early, guys, because now all the pretty colors are uniform over that edge, and we're not over here rubbing, getting coverage.
Right.
That would ruin it. It would turn those edges into mud. Rhonda, that was tons of fun getting back sticky with you again.
It was.
This turned out even better than my little sample, I think.
Absolutely, and I think because we didn't know when to stop.
Right, but we added more blue. I like that. That was a positive. That made it even better in my opinion, and I loved your white vein here. So guys, we'll leave a link. I'll leave all the products in the description below, where to find them, where to purchase them. And we hope you learned and had some fun watching us today create this beautiful black marble. And from all of us here at Stone Coat Countertops, don't forget,
you got this.
And we'll see you on the next video.